In this week's 2 Minute Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to make your own backdrop stand. So here's what we need to make our cake backdrop stand. We need 2 elbow joints, 2 T-pieces and 4 meters of conduit. So let's get 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So we take 1 piece of the conduit and I'm going to measure out 75 centimeters. There we go. And all I'm using is a bread knife. It's a bit fiddly, but and go through. There's 1 bit. I'm going to measure out the same length again, so just measure that along there, and once again, turn it slightly, and slightly again. Because you don't want it slipping. Literally snap the last bit off. So that's our 2 75 centimeters, and then we've got 1 piece of 50 centimeters. So what we're going to measure now is another 50 centimeter piece. Turn it again, and once again, and there we go, last bit, then another 50, and then the last cut, I'm just going to measure 1 meter 25, and this one's going to be the piece going along the top. There we go. Slightly, oops, make my bracket. And then the last bit, snap bit, we don't need that bit. So there's all our bits cut. This one's going to be the long top bar. Now I've cut this 1 meter 25. Our actual cake backdrops are 1 meter 25 tall by 1 meter long. Now I've made this slightly bigger, and you'll see that later when I actually side pop the backdrop on. So the top one, what we're going to do is take our elbow piece, pop it on one end, and your other elbow piece, oops, pop it on the other end. There we go. Make sure they're flat. Now my 2 50 centimeter ones, I'm just going to cut in half to go on either side of the T-piece. Again. So all what you're doing is slotting them on both sides. And same with the other one. There we go. There we go. Put that out of the way. Right. So then we're getting our 75 centimetre pieces and popping that in there. And same again with this one. And then all what we're doing is popping that in there and popping that in there and pop that on there, turn that around and there you go, that's your cake stand. Stop the clock. I think that might have gone a bit over 2 minutes, but hopefully it's like we're near enough. And that is your backdrop stand. So let's grab a backdrop and let's see it in action. So we've got backdrop and open it out. And all what we're doing is drape it over. All I can use is just a couple of pegs. So one that side, and then have this side and take this over, and then do exactly the same on this side. Whoops. Slide. And there you go. That's our backdrop. As you can see, it's like this is the perfect height for the split level backdrops, where you have the base, which is with the wooden floor in this case, and then also the plain background as well. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Thanks for watching today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, bye bye.